Well, we are here in the train station at the train layout, and I got the fountain working. I hold 3 buckets of water from the house. That is lovely. Get underneath here. Wonderful. I'm probably going to put another bucket or 2 of water in it. So, one little bit of scenery underway. Here comes the train. There it comes. Now then, we're going to come down here to the fountain. And Charles is working hard. And here's the lovely fountain. Watch the train as it comes across up there. And here it comes. Whoops! On the second track, around the fountain, and then here comes the passenger train. And we have the lights turned on in the fountain. Pretty cool stuff. Look at the Amtrak train as it comes down through here in the sun. Uh-oh, dirty spot in the track. There we go. Hello, it's Father Jamie, and I'm here in the train station. We have a situation going on that happened after Charles left. A section of track here died, and so you can see one locomotive dies, and I have an engine on the back pushing, and it pushes the train through the dead spot. So I don't know why this section of track is dead, but Charles can fix that the next time. But I've got it to where I can run a train, and the second track is doing just fine. I have a freight train on it, and it's on its way. We have the beautiful fountain here at the big mountain. It's a beautiful place here, and it lights up. And here comes this fast passenger train. It's a very weird passenger train. Have Santa Fe, streamlined cars, an L&N heavyweight coach, and 2 Amtrak coaches. That's the weirdest thing you ever seen. With a Canadian Pacific locomotive on the front and a chassis system switcher on the back. So, a good engineer is creative. You do what you gotta do. And I haven't been paying attention if y'all have got to see the freight train yet. Oh, here it comes now. Here comes the passenger train. There goes the freight train. Making its way around the mountain. It's a long train. And then we also have over here, we have a train station I brought out here. It doesn't light up or anything. This was given to me by Father Andy Garner for Christmas when I was on pastoral year. This is Dallas Union Station. So I've actually been there, so it's kind of cool to have that. And here comes the passenger train about to pass through. Hope nobody needs to get on here. The train's not going to stop for them. They're in a hurry.